Alright, welcome back to part 9 of the 4.9 Ford engine rebuild series. If you have been following along this whole time, thank you so much for watching. It's been great to engage with you. Keep leaving comments below, happy to answer questions. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. As I said, part 9, so feel free to check out parts 1 through 8 and then follow along. This will be a 10-part series, and in this video, we're going to get the engine in. The last video, you'll see the truck running. So stick around, it's going to be great. Thanks again for joining. The intent here was to build a little girdle or cradle that we could hang the engine off of using a hoist, but ended up realizing that this little trailer slid right underneath and it could work just like a lever and pick the engine up off the stand, which made it way easier. Once we got the engine off the stand, it was time to do the rear main. My buddy's a diesel mechanic, and he didn't have all his fancy tools, but he's learned a few tricks in the trade. So you just go around bit by bit?
Yeah, it's already, I want it to pop into there more.
Yeah.
Because you can see it's already going into the engine housing there.
So you're just using the old one, and that keeps you from messing up the new one.
Yeah. As a seal driver.
Okay, so next step is getting the clutch lined up, and unfortunately I lost my clutch alignment tool from 5 years ago. So we're using a combination of a 1/2 inch socket and, well, it's a socket extension, and then we are able to see, I didn't get anything resurfaced, so we can tell where the clutch plate used to be mated on the flywheel, and we'll be able to just align it that way. So it's gonna work, we're gonna make it work, we're gonna make it work. And then maybe tomorrow I'll find my clutch alignment tool. No hands. All right, let's go. Coming.
You didn't roll your lawn this spring, did ya?
Somebody made divots in it with their ATV.
So, towing something that we're fixing right now.
One size too big.
I'll give you that.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Are you having fun?
Okay, tension. Got an engine balancer. Get all this out of the way. Let's get rid of unnecessary things in here. Get rid of the anchor. So, everything's kind of out of the way. This is the easy step. We're just going up with this, then we can deal with this. It might kind of try to swing towards you when it comes up.
Yeah, my mounting point's a little bit lower. That's good. It's done.
So it's in the air now.
Hold on.
How's the beam? Holding? Okay. Get somewhere.
Are there dowels on the bell housing?
Yep, there's 2 dowels.
Okay.
Engine getting leveled. So we're not going to bolt these on yet. We need to get the transmission lined up. This is like our critical go, no-go thing. So I think we're doing all right here. We're just about ready to start pushing the truck underneath the engine. It's going to be a bit of an unconventional engine installation, but we're just making the best with what we got, so enjoy. So here's the deal. I don't want it scooting anywhere real quick, and it might because the lawn's not flat.
We'll get it going Flintstone style, and I'll give you directions. We are going to hit a bit of a low spot. Okay, ease up, Jer.
pull from here.
Nice.
Houston, we have the height.
Trees, do you want to crank the wheel? Straight.
Okay, level, and then go down, I think. So, can you pull the engine off so it's not touching? Is that doable? Very, very. Okay, so let's go down. Is that reasonable
Down
there?
into the right a bit.
I want to go down until it
Gets the shaft in, and then we'll just sort of bolt out. It's like sorted, Jimmy. Can you, I'll pull the engine back. Can you put the board under where it was? Wow, that really does change the height. Let's try it like this.
Okay.
If we
Well, why don't you try putting the front of the motor down?
that'll lift this back end up and get us more hitting.
Okay.
So I'm gonna
What
put
if
the
we go down on the back and we go higher with the transmission. I'm jiggling this.
It's almost there.
Just about.
Almost perfect. Wow, there's some huge spiders under here.
now push and turn. The height looks okay.
That did something good.
So if I spin this, does the whole shaft spin? Because I hear sound. So to me, I think like Reese, can you go put it into first gear?
What are you looking for?
Don't press the clutch.
Don't touch the clutch. Just go take the transmission, move it all the way to the big stick. Move it all the way to the left. And push it forward. Don't touch any pedals, please.
Okay. Move the stick all the way to the left and up. My job is so hard. Whoa, look how good it looks. It's so close.
Did you get a bolt?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
The hardest mission of life is putting an engine in.
It's a very short bolt.
Is that, you want a longer one? Is that longer? They're all very short compared to the gap that we have to fill.
Do you want to go push on the front, Jarrett?
I think the dowel's lined up. Did you grab? Catch some threads?
No, you got a longer one?
Try this one.
Just drop it. Bolt, same length. But
Thought so.
washer delito.
This one's definitely caught.
Okay. I think I have like one or two threads on that guy.
Guy, we're getting this. So much fun. This just might work.
You know what they say?
Here. Wait, I want to do mine more.
Stupid if it works.
Well, we did a lot of things today that worked. Like we lifted the engine using a trailer as lever. That was a brilliant idea. This is where Milwaukee 12-volt ratchet would come in really handy. Okay, just kissed there. I'll let you take yours.
This side?
Yeah.
Drop. We should probably get the rest of them in there loose, eh?
We're only missing. You got 2 on your side?
Yep.
I've got 3 on my side, and the only one we're missing is currently holding up the engine.
Where does that go? Right up here?
Yep. So that's easy to install.
Does not look easy.
Oh, it is, right from up here. It's not the easiest, but it's not bad. Well, maybe it is the hardest, but I can do it. I've done it at least
Hear that song?
3 times before.
Why have you done this 3 times before?
Because the engine's been out a few times. Twice, actually. All right, come on out.
You good?
Engine mounts now.
Awesome.
Well done, Garrett. You're very kind.
Bye, Chester. Bye. Oh, rub your tummy. Rub your tummy, yeah. Yeah, rub your tummy. Yeah, so nice.